Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Bybit app in your mobile phone. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, you need to search for the Bybit in your App Store or Play Store. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see an app at top on in the screen where it is distinguishable by its logo and is developed by Bybit Fintech Limited itself. And don't forget, you will find the download option at the right side. Simply tap on that download icon and your download will begin automatically. So yeah, once your download gets complete, click to open or tap on the open option, and yeah, you will be able to access it. So basically this is how you can download and install Bybit app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.